We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up MSTR stock. We are on a monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle. We do have price action overall, higher highs, price action overall, lower lows, midpoint, also adding second level lows. So let's zoom in the price to see what's going on. So current price is sitting at 221.0.01. So if price work its way up, it can head up to the midpoint between the second level lows and current price. So price would be tagging that area near the numbers of 266.52. And if price work its way down from that area, you want to see it head to the last candle in the market body, which would be at 163.44, and now we can see price actions in that middle of that area. So let's draw the screen back. Let's take a look at the overall what happened with the market. So you can see that market started off, spiked up to a high, came back down. So we had that first, second leg, came back for another third leg, pushed down, pushed back up, and then pushed down again. So on the left side, we have a single top, and on the right side, we have a first, second, third, fourth. We have a double top, retest, one push, retest, and we're going to see if that market is going to push down for that second push. Price, second, third, fourth, fifth, the last candle is all side by side, so that's an area consolidation. So if that market is respected in that area, and we do see that market turn around and work its way up from the price action, the second last candle dojis, we can see that market will draw out that first, second, third, and market push up for that fourth. If that does happen, we're looking for price action to engulf the second the last candle, but not just that, but at least to close out against that third to fourth last candle that shows going to push up to that second level lows before breaking out to working its way up further. And if that market works its way down from that area, market's coming from that overall first, second, third, fourth, retest one, retest two, retest, and the market push down for a third time, or we can receive that consolidation sideways, which price and second to last candle is within the fourth to last candle, fifth to last candle, all working its way sideways. The third to last candle is just a spike up to the high for a retest. Working our way down to the weekly time frame. So price action on the weekly time frame is a bullish green doji, second last candle, third last candle, all dojis as well. So that market's consolidating in that area. So we got to just wait for that market to break out that midpoint to see if it's going to push up or push down. So if that market does come down, we can see that structure is forming as the break, the retest, and that market is doing that push. Now, if it breaks down further from this area of that consolidation, we know that price is headed down to that previous support line, which is at 163.44. But if it's respected, as it's trying to do, we'll see that first, second, third, second last candle is the third leg, and price action is still not fully pushed out of bullish. But if it becomes active and pushes up, or the next candle it pushes up after that, we'll see that W formation in that area. Working our way down to the daily time frame, price action is all within each other. So as market is working its way sideways, did spike down for the bottom, did push back up. So if that market is working its way down from that area, we'll see that overall first, second, third, fourth retest and market pushing down. But we definitely got to see that engulfment to the opposite price, second, third, fourth, fifth, and maybe sixth to last candle markets work its way down. But if it's respected, we'll see multiple pushes down to that as a first, second, third, fourth retest, market pushed up, retest again, and market will be coming from that triple bottom and a retest or quadruple bottom to that area. Working our way down to the 4-hour time frame. So price action on the 4-hour time frame is a bearish red candle. So we already know it's at a midpoint, so let's break this market down a little bit more. So we have price action high of that area, price action low of that area, and we can see that the market is hanging around that midpoint. Of all those dojis. So once the market breaks out this section here, this zone, we'll see that market's going to push up further. If not, it'll come down. So far, let's see what patterns. Market's getting very choppy as we're going to walk down further of this 4-hour time frame, but we can see that structure, that first, second, third, fourth retest. If it's respected, bullish green candle push up. Working our way to a 3-hour time frame. Same as well. So price action is coming from a double top from that area at that high. So we can see that first, second, third last candle spiked up to the high, and then second last candle pushed down, evening off the previous side. So hanging around that below that midpoint of that zone, but still has enough momentum to push up because it's like a wedge pattern going on in there. And we'll mark that up now, so as we walk down the time frame, we can see what's going on. So we can see that uptrend that the market's in, and then if we connect the sides, we can see that wedge pattern that the market has created. So the market's going to keep on bouncing up and down until that market bounces and break out to that area or break down through that wedge, incline wedge pattern. So on a 2-hour time frame, we can see price action, bearish red candle still hanging out at the bottom within the second last candle, so that market is consolidating at that area. So we don't know if it's going to be respected to turn around, or is that market going to push down further through that wedge. 1-hour time frame side by side, so we see that more of that consolidation. So with this, we're looking to see if that market's going to engulf the second last candle to push that market back up. If not, then we're looking for that market to push down as it currently did with the third leg. Second leg is a retest. Price action is active, but if it pushes, we'll see that market coming from that first, second, third, fourth retest. Market's coming down from a double top and retest on the 1-hour time frame. Same as well on the 45-minute time frame. Last 3 candles consolidating sideways, waiting for the break of that area. 30-minute time frame, same as well. Price second, third, fourth last candle, still consolidating, waiting for the break, at least through the second or third to last or fourth to last candle to market of that area to see if that market's going to push up and down through that consolidation. Same as the 15-minute time frame. So we can try to see if the pattern's trying to draw itself off that, but what we see is market broke, came back to retest with that candle. So we have a first, second, third, market pushed down, first, second, third, fourth retest, market dropped down like a double top in that area. It's very choppy, just paying attention to the spike ups to that high. So we can see the break, the return. So overall, first, second, third, fourth retest. Now market was respected at that midpoint, so it could be trying to turn around first, second, third, fourth retest, bullish green candle push up and engulf that previous area. Market's working its way up, but still very choppy market as we on these lower time frames. It's currently just waiting for it to break out that zone to see what direction it's going to go into. Very important information. Please study and review. Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout retest strategy. Click on images. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. MSTR stock.